Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So from the title you know that today's video is about the best morning routine for students to cope up with everything. And I guess maybe we all know that it's always better to be an early bird than to be a night owl. It's just that somewhere our motivation lags. So when you actually not just know these benefits but experience these benefits, you will automatically get up early even before your alarm rings. And in this video, in the habit of journaling, I'm recommending you the Evolve journal from the Positive Store. Also, I'll be giving you a quick detailed review of it, so make sure that you watch the video till the end and you can't just afford to miss that review because it's super duper amazing. So let's get started. Of course, you should wake up early in the morning, that is either 5 or 6 a.m.
You should always have your early morning detox drink. I will be having some lukewarm water with lemon juice and honey in it. It has so many health benefits. You can prefer any detox drink whichever suits your body. Then just fresh up and get ready to move. Go for a walk. It boosts your energy and improves your mood. While walking, don't listen to any random song, but listen something which is full of positivity and adds value in your life. Or just feel the air. Enjoy on your own and forget all your problems and worries. It's really important to exercise to stay healthy and fit. And for us, the students, now it becomes more essential as we are sitting whole day in front of the screens. You can do some running or some normal workout. Exercise is not just to improve your physical health, but it also promotes brain development and thus helpful in studies. Now you can find a peaceful place for yourself and just settle down. Relax your body and mind. And do some basic breathing exercises. It helps you to relieve from stress and anxiety and increase blood flow in the body. Now it's time to do the meditation. There are multiple ways to do it, but choose the one in which you feel light. And now comes the most interesting part of the routine, that is journaling. It is basically to write down your thoughts and do some introspection to get more organized with your work by planning your entire day. So I'm using this Evolve journal and I genuinely love it. So I will give you a quick review of this, how to use it. It is Evolve Self Planner by the Positive Store. While unboxing it, I felt so happy and excited that finally I'm going to do something which is very productive for myself. This comes with a very beautiful packaging from the Positive Store and I found this cloth very aesthetic and cute, and this is how the whole planner looks like. It has this soft leather touch. There are 2 more colors available. You can choose whichever one you like. Link is in the description. Do check it out guys. You will definitely love it. This comes with the seed pen, which is a very good initiative taken by them. And when you open it, you will find a feather bookmark, which is again really nice, and the 2 certificates from the Positive Store. So this is basically your 90 days planner, and you have to set your top 5 habits which you will be following daily. It is an undated planner, so you can use it any time of the year. Plan your entire day here. Write down the task which you will be performing on the specified timings. Write down the things for which you are grateful for today. Think about something that would make your today's day awesome, and write down your self-positive affirmations. At the bottom, you can find some quotes and try to implement them during the day. On the next page, you can see a question, and these questions changes daily. It just makes you think about different things. And at the night, you can fill up these boxes that what are your top 3 achievements of the day? What did you learn today? It also gives you daily tasks which will be changing daily. Then you have a separate section for the notes and ideas. So just pour out everything. And at the bottom, you get the habit trackers. Also, there is this fortnight reflection page, which I believe is really necessary to contemplate how much you have improved in the past 14 days and what are the things you still need to work a lot with. So that was it for today's video, and I know that you may feel that it's just for 2-3 days, then we again go back to our normal routine. But we should never give up and keep trying to become the better version of ourselves. So stay tuned. Many more videos to come up, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss out any update. I will be meeting you soon in the next video. Till the time, take care. Bye bye.